Hello and welcome to Render Compositor. In this quick Blender tutorial, I will show you how you can render the Ambient Occlusion pass. It's really simple to render this pass and it really adds to your render. So here's how you can do this. I will come to this View Layers tab and then I will scroll down and I will enable Ambient Occlusion here. And that's it. Now you can just render your scene. Now the rendering is finished. If you come here, you will see ambient occlusion. I didn't use a lot of samples, that's why it's a bit noisy right now. But for the demonstration purposes, this is fine. And this is our ambient occlusion. Now, to combine it, I will come to the compositing tab. And the way I like to set my compositing tab is like I split my window to two, and this window I change it to image editor, and I basically choose for viewers node in the image editor. Now in here in the compositing tab, I will create new, and we get this simple setup. And as you can see, we have the ambient occlusion here. You can preview it, and this is how it looks. Okay, so to combine it, what we need to do is we need to add a mix color node. So press Shift A and search for mix color. And then I will plug the image socket to the A socket of the mix color and ambient occlusion to the B socket. And if we preview this, you see, if we set it to 0, we see the image, and if we set it to 1, we see the ambient occlusion. And if we set it to something like 0.5, they mix together. But we don't want to mix them together. What we want to do is we want to multiply them together. You see? So if I turn it to 1, now my ambient occlusion is being multiplied. And now you can just play with how much ambient occlusion you want in your renders. For me, something like 0.3 works. And if you press M with the multiply node selected, you can see what difference the ambient occlusion node is making. So this was before. It really helps to fill in those contact shadows. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please do subscribe